All right, so we got a little 8x7 here that's working a little wonky. And he had a couple hinges here that were messed up. I replaced them. And I have never seen this before. The door's still racking and binding a little bit, and it sounds a little rough. So, unfortunately, I can't turn this around, but I'll try to give you a look-see here. This S-hook has worn into that shiv wheel, and the shiv wheel is not turning now. And I don't know how I caught that, but so now I got to take this apart and get this fixed for this guy. But I've never seen this before. Hey, who knows, right?